Hi everyone, it's Gina. I am making a short video to show you how to take one of your recordings from Zoom and post it into your Canvas shell or send it to your students. You want to go to your Zoom account, and over on the side you have an option for recordings. This is where all of your videos are saved. When you're in here, normally if you don't name it, Zoom will just give it a generic name. If you click, you can see that I've changed all the names. So if you click here on this, you can click the pencil and you can change the name if you want. You can edit in here. You can also have it set that name up if you set up a meeting just with yourself and give it this particular name. I've been doing that, just setting up a private meeting with myself so that my students don't come into my Zoom room when I'm making a video. So once you have your recording set and you decide which one you want to share, there's a share button over here on the right hand side. Click on that and it brings up this information. If you click on copy to clipboard, it'll copy all of this information and you could just paste that into an email and send it to your students. Or if you want to instead copy the link and add it into your Canvas shell, you could just highlight this part down here on the bottom and then add it into Canvas. All right, if you have questions, let me know. Have a good day.